Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this particular video, we are going to talk about an notification which got published on NBA website. Okay, it's related to centralized merit-based counseling process. Okay, for sponsor seat, sponsor DNB seat. So we will try to understand what is the meaning of a sponsored DNB seats and who are the applicants, which candidates are eligible to participate for DNB sponsor seats, and what is the procedure. Okay, before that, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel. Okay, and you can go for our paid counseling guidance as well. For that, you need to call on one number given in the description, 9319128677, which you can see on the thumbnail also. You can send us WhatsApp messages also, and the good thing is today is the last date for the discount that was given from last 5 days. Okay, so you can still get 10% of discount in on availing the paid service if you are going to do it today. Okay, so let's jump into the topic. Okay, and in the description of the video, you can see few ebooks that you can purchase related to a deemed university DNB and open state counseling. There is a link given for Telegram. You can join that Telegram group where you can keep receiving all the updates and important details about the counseling process. Okay, which you can refer in the future. So the list of sponsored DNB seat will be published later, and for that you can have an eye on the website network.edu.in. Okay, there you can find the details about the upcoming notifications related to sponsor seat and the seat matrix. So last year also there was a sponsor seat, and for that the counseling process happened. Okay, now talking about the eligibility criteria. Before that, we will talk about the sponsored DNB seat. See, something that is getting a sponsored, okay, by someone is called a sponsored. You go for NRI seat, your fee is getting a sponsored by some NRI person, so that person is called a sponsorer, and the seat is called a sponsored. Okay, in case of DNB also, okay, there are a set of seats which is getting sponsored by those institution, okay, where you are from some institution you can join, and then you have to do additional commitment or kind of like contract or bond to serve for a number of years. Okay, but that's a very good option for you in case you don't have very good rank. Still you can expect to get good clinical branches in DNB from a good hospital. So once you get the seat matrix, you will come to know how good is that option and what are the different colleges and hospitals for different branches in DNB. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So there are two type of seats available. One is a sponsor seat for post MBBS candidates, those who have completed their MBBS, and a sponsor DNB seats for post diploma candidates. Okay, let's first talk about post diploma candidates, those candidates who are working in a, both seats are for only those candidates who are working in a government organization. When I say government organization, it is state level government organization or hospital, central level government organization, or any kind of autonomous or PSU. You are working in railway, you are working in any kind of PSU organization where you got admission, got job after some entrance examination. You are working in some central institutes like AIMS, BHU and all. So you have the eligibility. Okay, and your job should be on regular basis, not on contractual or part time. Okay, then you have the eligibility for the sponsor seat for post diploma or post MBBS. Second eligibility is candidate who have passed. Now it will differ for both post MBBS, and we are talking about the post MBBS, as this channel is more for NEET PG candidates. Okay, so candidates must have position of MBBS degree provisional pass certificate recognized as per the provision of Indian Medical Counseling, and you should have provisional registration certificate of MBBS qualification. So those candidates who have done their MBBS from outside also, if they have their registration done, they qualified FMG examination, and they must qualify NEET PG 2021. There are candidates who didn't qualify NEET PG 2021, okay, and missing the cutoff score by small margin, 5 marks, 10 marks, and they are very sure that they will qualify it. Still they are not eligible. Okay, they may qualify after cutoff revision, that's a different story, might be missing by 1 mark, but still they are not eligible, and this notification is not relevant to them because they don't fall under the eligibility candidates. For post diploma seats, the candidate must have appeared in DNB PDCET examination. DNB PDCET is a separate examination. As you go ahead and do participate in the counseling process of DNB, last year DNB was conducted by NBE on a separate platform, counseling platform. Similarly, secondary DNB, for secondary DNB you have to give examination DNB PDCET. Those candidates who have completed their diploma course would write those DNB PDC examination. So only you have written and appeared in the DNB PDC exam, then you have the eligibility for post diploma seats. Okay, and you should have passed your final examination of postgraduate diploma on before 31st of July 2021. So this is the eligibility criteria. Now what step you need to do? So all candidates who fulfill the above eligibility criteria and desire to participate for the sponsored seats, okay, for post MBBS or post diploma, they require to download this format of NOC, okay, and you take the printout and you fill that format and you need to submit to your parent organization wherever you are working currently. In order to do what? In order to get an NOC issued from them in the favor of the candidate, and which should be submitted to NBE. Okay, so it's very clear. You take the printout, fill it out and submit it to your organization. You talk to them and they should issue a NOC, which is very important. Without NOC you can't proceed, because once you go for a study they need to have NOC from your organization whether they are permitting you. So in some case they won't give you NOC, but getting NOC is very important, and that NOC need to be uploaded on NITE Board website. So you need to keep an eye on those notification. We received, we will publish the notification on our YouTube channel so that you get a reminder. Then the duly filled and signed NOC should be submitted at this email address by 30th of November. Today is 12th of November and you need have like more than 2 weeks of time. So you need to get your NOC from the department and you have to submit at this email ID. You need to send the soft copy at this email ID. And centralized merit based counseling process, which is conducted by NBE, will be for those sponsor seats shall be conducted thereafter. So they mostly will get conducted after DNB counseling gets over, or most of the MDMS counseling gets over, and the detailed schedule will be published in the due course. So that's the complete notification, and those candidates who are interested or eligible, having eligibility, they must go for it, because it's a kind of good backup opportunity for you in case you fail to get seat through normal counseling process for non-sponsor seats due to any reason. Here you will have good hospitals and good clinical branches, so it's a good opportunity because the competition will be less. All those candidates who are fresher, they just completed internship and they go to score and they're fighting for a seat. Those candidates wouldn't compete with you. Only in service and those who are in a government job on a regular basis, they are going to compete, and you will getting a good clinical branch in fairly good institutes. So this is very good opportunity for in-service candidates. So with this I am going to conclude this video. Okay, in case you are looking for this paid guidance, you must call us, because today is the last date with the offer. Okay, and we will able to proceed, and we are expecting the counseling process from all India side to start soon, as we are nearing to the date 16th of November, when Supreme Court is going to give decision. Even the decision doesn't come, or it comes, in both the scenario the counseling process must proceed, because we have the date for next examination also on 12th of March, which is not very far. Okay, so we will meet again with some new topic, important topic, where you should have very useful information which helps you in the counseling endeavor. And until then, goodbye and take care.